There's a certain feeling you get when you have the right tool for the job. A type of sureness, firm enough to stand on. We call it preparation. The Etekcity tire pressure gauge is a highly specialized tool that prepares you for any tire maintenance situation. The high-quality rubber casting provides maximum durability, making the tire gauge shockproof. Take readings within 0.1%, featuring a heavy-duty nozzle with a 45-degree angled tip. Both the hose and the nozzle rotate 360 degrees to help you lock on to any type of tire. To use it, first attach the heavy-duty nozzle to a tire valve and instantly get a reading. Measure up to 230 psi. Tap the unit button to seamlessly change between psi, bar, kilopascals, and kilogram per centimeter squared. The large backlit LCD display ensures maximum visibility in any lighting. Once you've finished and 30 seconds have passed, the auto shutoff feature will kick in, preserving maximum battery life. With Etekcity's tire pressure gauge, you'll never worry about having the right tool for the job again. Etekcity, building on better living.